Hello, welcome to Madeline Korea's kitchen. I'm once again here with you, my dear viewers, to show you another dish. It's a sweet dish. It's of bottle gourd. Okay, it's called lauki. Two I have bought. These are tender ones. One I have already cleaned. These are two I've taken. I've already grated one. Only to show you I have kept the other. I have washed it once and now I will scrape it. धुवून जायते धुवून जाय झाले. Now I will cut and scrape further. This inside seeds have to be taken out. Okay, and then it has to be scraped with a scraper like this. I'll show you. One small one I'll show you. Grating. I scraped it, now I'm grating it. Beautiful the color is. Like this I will grate all the full one. I put this kadai on a medium flame. Now, without putting any ghee or anything, you just put this in it, okay, and stir it for some time so whatever water is in this will evaporate. After 2 minutes of heating it, 60% of the water has gone. Now I will put the 2 to 3 tablespoons of, teaspoons of ghee. It's still on the medium flame and let it be on the medium flame. After 2 minutes of frying with ghee, I'll put in 3/4 cup of milk and let it get cooked in this. Let it get cooked till all the milk is absorbed in this and this is cooked. Okay, these are the dry fruits I'm going to use. Badam, that is almonds. I have taken about 6 to 7 and chopped it lengthwise. Then this is kismis, currants, raisins, sorry. This is pistachio. I have also cut it. This is black. And black currants, and this is your cashew nuts. And spices also you have to use. Always when you make sweets you have to use spices. I'm taking small piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves only, that gives aroma. Okay, and in between, don't close the container. Let it be like this open, and you keep stirring it. And check totally for 5 to 6 minutes it has to cook in this milk. Let it cook. This is cardamom powder which I made in advance and kept. I have to put half a teaspoon of it. So I'm just showing you this. Keep it here. Okay. 1 cup of sugar. I may not use the whole cup because depending upon the taste of sugar that we require. I may use less than this because we eat sweets with less sugar. This is a pinch of salt that I will use. Now you must follow my steps correctly, because when you have to put sugar, when you have to put salt, and when you have to put what is that called in English? I'll show you. My dear viewers, I told you follow my steps correctly. Now you know what I did. I put it without ghee first and evaporated at least 50 to 60% of the water. Okay, the scraped bottle gourd. Then I put ghee, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Roasted it, cooked it for 2-3 minutes, and then I put 3/4 cup of milk, and it is cooking like that. Remember. Now, when it is cooked for 3 minutes, I will put the spices so that the flavor comes out. Now, since all this is cooked for 5 minutes, this is the time to put sugar. Now, I am not putting the full cup sugar. I am just leaving this much because there's some other ingredient I'm using which contains sugar. Okay, and that is khoa in my regional language. And you can find out how it is prepared. There's a process when they evaporate the milk and produce that khoa. I'll show you what the khoa looks like. This is how the khoa looks like. It is a milk product. It is slightly sweetish. That's why I have put less sugar in it. Okay. Now let this get cooked with medium flame. Medium flame. Remember, throughout this dish you have to use medium flame because I want this dish to be cooked properly and get homogeneous with all the ingredients I have used. Okay. After putting sugar, I told you I'll put a pinch of salt. I'm not using everything because every sweet dish you're making you should use salt. A pinch of salt. Let it cook till the sugar melts and cook this further. So allow another 2-3 minutes. Now this sugar, after putting sugar, 3 to 4 minutes I have cooked it. This khoa that I bought is 1/4 kilo, that is 250 grams. I am not going to use all that. I will use 3/4 of this. 3/4 of this. Okay, and the remaining because the pumpkin that I got was small. You see, I have put this approximately, okay, because depends upon this is by itself sweet. Now, to substitute this, because in all places you don't get, this is of the local dairy, they prepare it here only in Belgaum, from the villages this comes, the milkman bring. Now, instead of this you can use cream, you know, Okay, small sachet of cream, say 100 ml, and milk powder, which is say milk powder 50 grams. 100 ml of cream and 50 grams of milk powder instead of khoa. But today, since I use khoa, I am not putting those two items. Now let it cook on slow flame only. Medium low. Yes. As this is cooking to the left side of my gas, I will now roast the dry fruits. Okay, cardamom powder. Approximately that becomes half a teaspoon. Come now this side. This is the small pan that I am using. Keep it on low flame to roast my dry fruits with ghee. Two teaspoons of ghee. Let it get hot. I am also using little poppy seeds and little sesame seeds. Stir it. This is good to have sesame seed in the winter season. Okay. So now no harm if you put it in the sweet. Come on, we shall heat the dry fruits. Put in the cashew, roast it. Get it out. And roast this in very low flame. Now put it off and then put these two items in there after putting it off. Put in this ghee roasted dry fruits. Now cook this on low flame. Okay, I'll put it off and just keep it like that for 5 minutes because the remaining ghee and all that liquid milk will be absorbed in the halwa. Okay, I'll take it to the table. My dear viewers, now it's time to attack. My husband is already waiting here. Okay, I will serve him and he will tell me how it is. Sample. He's going to sample. Wilson, it is hot.
Yeah.
Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot. 9 days old. It's hot. Hot it is, better be careful.
Warm it is.
It's not warm. It could be. Better be good. Just tell me how it is. I have not put much sugar.
Good. Excellent.
Excellent. 10 out of 10?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Eat, that full thing is for you. No,
Sample it, no?
don't. Eat. After everybody will eat. You are the one who will sample. Taste buds. Eat, the whole thing is for you. Happy? Go relax, sit and eat. My dear viewers, follow my channel, hit the bell icon, and very often I'll be putting the cooking videos, okay? Enjoy cooking, eating, and appreciating my cooking. I don't have to taste, but I know that this has become quite tasty. Thank you.